Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Hi friends, today I will tell you something an important point that you already know, but you don't think too much about that point. Even though we thought we know everything what we do, but we will have to worry when something unexpected happens. This is what I am going to show you today. This is especially valuable for those who drive any vehicle. You drive today and you have good driving skills as well as good driving control, and you will use the vehicle every day for your office route or in everyday day-to-day life. But we know that our lives can end in a very short time because of some mistakes in any event. Neglect can lead to death, eternal suffering, or even some degree of suffering. So, driving means that you are always living close to the danger of your life. So, no matter how well you drive your vehicle, you can never say you are completely safe. If you think about your driving experience again in your lifetime, you will clearly understand that you have survived some accidents. So, no matter what you drive, whether you drive a bicycle or car or jeep or any other vehicle, these things are worth remembering. Before I say that, if you are new to my channel or you have not joined my channel yet, subscribe to my channel by clicking subscribe button. If you think today's video is better, give a like and write your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, let's see where I was explaining about my topic. I mean, no matter how experienced we are in driving our vehicle, being a little careless can be a big disaster. My first and most valuable advice is to keep your good mood and your mindfulness from journey beginning to end. If you have a clear mind, you know how to drive in a disciplined and accurate manner. And if you have a clear vision as well as any possible mistakes on the road while driving, you can be able to see most of it. This will give you a better chance of preventing an accident before it happens. My second piece of advice is to use basic safety features and equipment as a habit, depending on the vehicle you are using. For example, if you are riding a motorbicycle, make it a habit to wear a properly approved helmet. If you drive a car or similar vehicle, remember to tighten the seat belts properly. Even if you drive a vehicle, you know exactly what to do for the basic checklist before starting the engine. I think you check it all out correctly before you start your vehicle. At the same time, you must follow all rules of driving correctly. And also you must follow these basics rules as well. Don't use your mobile phone while driving, especially drive a motorbike. Drive correct line. While you drive, check the side mirrors and the rear mirrors time to time as a habit. When you overtake in a vehicle, follow the rules of basic overtaking rules. Always pay attention to the speed of your vehicle. Stay alert and pay attention to signage on the road. Do not drive after consuming any alcohol. As I pointed first, my advice, drive with a good mood or good mind. Then you will return home safely after ending your happy journey. If you take good care of yourself and come home, your family will have a happy life. So I think one or many factors I mentioned in this video will be important to you. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell button and select all to activate notification as soon as my new video is released at once. And click the thumb up button to like this video. I would be really grateful if you could write your thoughts or ideas about this video. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.